welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos about dyeing, sewing, and upcycling. And if you're not new here, I wanted to give you a little bit of an update about what's going on with me and my channel. So I just kind of wanted to come on here and level with you guys and tell you guys the truth, what's been going on with me and why I've been sort of changing up my style. I love doing the tutorial videos, but I felt like I was getting a little stale with some of them. So I wanted to try to change up the style, change up my filming a little bit, and experiment with some new kinds of tutorials and new kinds of video content. The results have been a little bit mixed, and I wanted to know what you guys who consistently watch my channel think about it and what you guys are enjoying and what you're not enjoying. As you know, I'm in my third trimester and I have a lot of changes coming up in my life, and I always will have this channel be dedicated to textiles and art and doing art, being creative, things like that. But I've been feeling a need to kind of shake things up a little bit and try new things just for my own inspiration and also to keep you guys inspired. So I've been doing a tutorial on Thursdays and then another video on Sundays. I'm sure some of you have noticed that I've been uploading more and kind of playing around with my style. The tutorials are really the backbone of my channel, and I'll always do tutorials. I really enjoy making them, but I kind of wanted to introduce a kind of like a new, more informal type of video style to my channel, and I'm still kind of figuring it out. So I wanted to kind of ask you guys like what you think of the new videos and the new kinds of videos. What do you enjoy watching the most? Do you like the sewing videos? Do you like the thrifting videos? Do you like vlogs? Let me know down in the comments below what kind of videos you enjoy the most from my channel. So my goal going forward with this channel is to connect more with you and to have a better understanding of what you guys are looking for and what kinds of crafts you guys like to do. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who watches my videos, and thank you to everyone who's voted in all of my polls on my community page. You can still go and vote on those polls. I'd love to know what more of you think. And also, like, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the new videos, what kind of videos you want to see more of. I'm all ears, and I really am excited for the third year of my YouTube channel. I'm not going anywhere, and I'm really excited to continue to grow and be super creative here on YouTube. Also, another way to connect with me is on Instagram or TikTok. I've just started my TikTok not too long ago. I'm still trying to figure out what TikTok is. I am a millennial, so like TikTok is a little bit like daunting, but it's really fun. And I've been on Instagram for a long time, and I love Instagram because I have a very like close relationship with people who follow me on Instagram, and it's a very like good rapport with people. So if you haven't gone and followed me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And if you ever do any of the projects on my channel, tag me on Instagram because I love to see what you guys are all up to. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are well, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye.